Hi everyone, my name is Ganesh. Thanks for visiting our channel. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. I'm planning to make a certain podcast based on professional and my career related, okay, and SAP suggestions or normal career suggestions. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the quotation which I made recently. Never compare with others to downgrade ourselves. Everyone has their own strength and weakness. Let us utilize our strength to reach our goals. So we used to see similar kind of quotations with wording differences and different uh, uh, like successful people or any kind of authors we used to see. So I'm going to explain you personally how I used this sentence in my life. So when I started my career in Asian Paints, I joined as a production officer. So initial during the probation time, they used to keep us in a production handling some 20 or 15 operators, 15 experienced workers. They have been working for 15 years, 20 years, 10 years like that. And two people used to be in the shift, and we have to deploy the work to them. So when we give the work, they just handle, and a lot of arguments, fights used to be there. So I was not in a position to fight with those kind of a people. Not only fight, argument. When the argument is getting heat, we should give reply in that way. But I was not that comfortable. So my senior has identified during the probation time. I think this guy has technically is thinking and we're able to talk well. But these kind of managing that kind of hard people or who try to escape the work and always try to argument just to spend the time. So those kind of a people. So they put me into a technical where there will be only 4 workers will be there, but I will be working with the SAP screen and some kind of a color technology and all. Only 4 workers I need to manage, but I will do more into technical color, some technology related, some education related, and also we used to do the SAP postings and all. So during that point of time, I found what is my strength, and also I accepted that that is weakness area I have to improve. Okay, but I strength wise also he identified, and also I was able to identify. Sometimes our weakness will become our positive. So for example, I joined in that department, so every day we used to go and do only 8:30 to 5 o'clock shift. But if I was into production, we have to go for 3 shifts. Night shifts also we have to go. I escaped with my weakness. So it's not a good thing, but anyway, somewhat it happened as a favor. After working for 1 or 2 years, then every day working with SAP screens, then I got an idea or suggestions that, okay, let's learn SAP and try to enter into SAP. And today I'm here. So sometimes our negatives also, or a weakness also can become a positive thing. So, but we need to find out what is our strength. In the same way, like when I was doing the consulting, so some of my managers and all used to say that everybody has to come to management role. Then only you can become a successful person. Otherwise, you cannot. So that is true. If you are very good in managing people management and all, then only you can go to that MD or the CEO or any kind of high roles and all. Like senior, first you can go for manager, senior manager, delivery head, then you can become a kind of a vertical head, and then you can become chief technology officer or chief executive officer. Any kind of a role you can go, that is true. But if you're not that comfortable in people management and you are struggling to do that one, first of all you need to accept like what what I can do, what are my skills, what is my strength. Okay, from there I was always try to finding out what is my strength, where I can make certain kind of uniqueness. Okay, we cannot compare with others. One person is habitual with the managing people by birth, or else the way how he is growing in his family. They are doing a lot of kind of people management. They always involved with people. So that his way of life is different, and few people can adopt that kind of people management. They enjoy the role. Finally, we need to enjoy it. Okay. So if you want to ultimate, if you want to go to the high level, so mostly people management people can go to high level. And also we need to see that the triangle curve, right? So 200 SAP consultants are working in a company. Let's take an example, or 200 consultants working in a project. So in that project, the managers will be hardly 4 or 5 managers. And for all these 4 or 5 managers will report to one senior manager or one delivery manager. So that one delivery manager will report to the CIO or CTO, whoever. So you can see that triangle curve also, the 200 consultants can become 4 or 5 managers or 6 managers, or else in between there will be team lead. So the 200 consultants may have 20 team leads, 20 or 15 team leads, and the 15 team leads will report to some 5 or 6 managers. You have to see the triangle curve also, it's getting narrow. So although you have a talent, sometimes you cannot get that kind of a role because different parameters. People say politics, or people sometimes he's little better than you, or else the exact time he has a good relation with that higher manager. So there are a lot of other parameters. See, 10 people are good, but in the 10 people they have to take only one person. So definitely they will do certain kind of filtrations. So if you are going for people management, your career will be next level. So you have to enjoy it first of all. If you cannot enjoy, you cannot do anything. If someone is doing very good, please don't compare. So if our all 5 fingers are not equal, right? We see in many books this statement. Okay, so we need to find out that okay, you can inspire how he is able to manage the team, or how he is able to talk confidently in front of 1,000 people, or how he is making education courses, or how he made a book, how he has written a book. Okay, so these everybody has their own strength. So by seeing that, you get inspired, you learn the techniques, or you learn some points, or learn some inspiration, get some inspiration, but don't compare and downgrade ourselves like, why I'm like that, he's talking very good, he's doing very people management, and he's doing good videos, or he's doing very good consultant. So don't downgrade ourselves. First of all, you need to find out what is my strength, where I'm enjoying. Okay, one person is getting 100 rupees, or you're getting 40 rupees, but if you're enjoying the role, the level of happiness will be little similar, almost similar. So we need to find out our strength and try to utilize as much as you can. So definitely we will reach our goals. When I was hearing those kind of things, Ganesh, if you don't want to go to people management, then you cannot even cross certain level of package. Like that, my manager used to say in 2013. So that level of package may be little increased now, but I crossed that one long back. And here, the not about package and all, that is a secondary. So what I'm going to mention here is, we need to find our strength. If you utilize it, work on that, and definitely we can reach our goals. So find out your strength, work on that, and utilize fully, and keep your 100% efforts, and definitely you can reach your goals. Good luck to all the people, and let's enjoy what we do. That's more important. Be healthy. Let's enjoy what we do. And there may be 20%, 30%. If you're doing, for example, 10 activities, 1 or 2 activities, if you don't like you're doing, that's fine. But if you're doing 6, 7, 8 activities without liking, then one day you will be frustrated, or one day you will always will be in a disappointed mode, or you cannot enjoy your life. So let's find our strength and enjoy the role. Thank you.